And this is what cars happen to do when they can't drive any further. And here's the tow truck. It's on the opposite side of Lakeshore Drive from where it would usually be, but what can you do? The bus that people thought they'd get someplace in, but obviously got nowhere. Yes, Lakeshore Drive with only people and no cars. And nobody, and it's not the marathon, so interesting. And another one. The only car. Oh, more tow trucks. Oh, it's fine. And now they want people to get off the roadway because here I am heading towards the lake with really deep snow. Really deep. Well, this one's not so deep by this tree. I guess the tree had some residual covered there, so. Yes, it's windy. And this is the lake. I'll get closer. See, it's covered in snow. I think it's actually frozen. I don't see any water moving in it. Yep, those are frozen waves. I'll zoom in. The frozen waves. Those waves are frozen. Frozen dead waves. You gotta be careful here because it's all icy. Little snow drifts flowing across the still lake, which is frozen. Drifting snow is another big problem because a lot of this is loose snow, except for the snow that stuck to the lake. And you see, people are willing to go to the edge of the water and see if the ice will carry them. And when they fall in, it's not stopping them. My eyes are tearing up because it's so windy. I don't know if you can get all this snow drifting, an idea of just why nobody's driving. That's a hardcore biker there, you know. Gonna wheel his. driving this, but this guy's gonna ride his bike. When he gets hit by something, he'll blame somebody else. I don't know, because I used to be like that. There's two men tackling the snow with a snowblower and shovel, and still having a hard time. Oh,